When your Samsung phone gets stuck in Odin mode and prompts downloading, do not turn off Target. You can fix this problem in the following 4 ways. Trick 1. Fix Samsung stuck in Odin mode in one click. Step 1. After installing the software on your PC, please run it and click System Repair to continue. After that, connect your Samsung phone to the computer using a USB cable and tap the Android Repair option on the left side. Step 2. In the device information interface, choose the correct brand, name, model, country, and carrier information. Agree with the warnings and click Next. In the next screen, read the warnings and type "000" to confirm and proceed. Step 3. Follow the on-screen instructions to get your device into the download mode and tap Next to start downloading the firmware necessary to repair your device. After downloading and verifying the firmware, it will automatically fix the Android problem. Trick 2. Remove the battery. After removing the battery for 2 minutes, replace the battery in the device and power on your device. In most cases, it solves the phone stuck in Odin mode issue. This method is only applicable to older phone models, as basically, the batteries in today's mobile phones are not removable. Trick 3. Use Odin Flash Tool. Note: you may lose data during the process, so you'd better back up your Samsung device before getting started. Step 1. Install a suitable firmware, Odin flashing tool, and driver software on your computer. Later, right-click the Odin file and select Run as Administrator. Step 2. Enter your device into the download mode by tapping the Power plus Volume Down plus Home buttons simultaneously and release the power button when the phone vibrates. Step 3. Touch the Volume Up button, and it will display the download mode screen. Afterward, connect your phone to the computer with a USB cable, and the Odin tool will detect your device automatically. Step 4. Once detected, a message will appear and say Added. Now, click the PDA or AP button in the Odin window to search for the installed firmware and then hit the Start button to fix the issue. Trick 4. Try the latest Odin version. If you still cannot proceed on the stuck screen, please try the latest Odin version. For more information, you can check the Samsung Odin forum for more useful troubleshooting.